entity relationship diagram. I have a many to many relationship with the project table as well as the category table. And my primary key is an identifier for one person, place, or thing that I want to collect and store data with. I have a join table in the middle, project underscore category, and I do a join table because I want to avoid retyping information in, which opens up opportunities for typos. For instance, if I wanted the project name in the category table, then that would open up, as I mentioned, the opportunity for typos. Therefore, we use a join table, and the primary key would be project ID, as well as it would be uh, the foreign key. And the second foreign key will be the category ID, and it will be the primary key as well. And that's how the relationship is built between these three tables. On the material and the step table, I have a one to many relationship, and meaning that these are children tables and they are connected with one project name would be the foreign key, and one project ID would be on the foreign key for the step table. The SQL script for the project is I'm dropping the tables in reverse order that I created them in order to delete the dependent tables that are connected to the parent table, such as project. I do a delete on cascade with the foreign key. So in the material table, if the project ID is removed from the project table, then I would want it also to be deleted from the material table. And the same for the step table as well. This is in the database navigator. You can see that I have all 5 tables have been created.